Yo, I had so many people hit me up today saying, yo, is it going to be a shock drop or not on these Air Jordan 3 black cements? And I must say, bro, I myself was a little confused. I've seen so much information saying it's happening today, tomorrow, but now we kind of have 95% of an answer for everybody in today's video, so you know exactly where to be in order to get a pair of these black cement threes. Let's go ahead and jump right into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Like I said, bro, you seen on the intro, you seen the thumbnail, you read the title, you already know what we're here to talk about today, and that is the shock drop over these black cement threes. And nobody answered my question. And like last couple videos, I said, yo, is this a remastered or is this just a retro of the Air Jordan 3 black cements? I need y'all help. The cut is definitely different from the 2018 pair, which I don't know where they are right now, but I definitely had to show some B-roll. But I do have the 2018 pair. Had to grab this 2024, of course. You know what I'm saying? It's a job, bro. We got to show you guys that early heat. But I'm like, yo, is this remastered or is this just a retro of the black cements? I know they scratched the whole reimagined, spinoff. They said it's just going to be, black cement, but I heard, remastered getting floated around there. Like we have seen a couple remastered, versions of retros and stuff like that, but I don't know what is going on with these black cement threes. So please help me out down below in the comment section. Remastered or just a regular retro of the black cement threes. But if you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, run them likes up. Every single like counts. So if you can help your boy out, do your boy a solid, give a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. You guys already know where to catch me, man, over on Twitter and on IG. Always linked down below in the description box, especially pertaining to this one. You might want to go hit me up on Instagram because I'm gonna post on my story, let you guys know exactly when it happens. Once y'all hear what's going on with these joints, y'all gonna know why I'm saying to follow me over on Instagram. All right, so we got some crazy information today about these shock dropping today, which again, I didn't hear 100% certain that these were going to shock drop today. That's why I had to make this video. I had to wait a little bit just to see what was going on. I didn't see anybody talking about this shock drop. So I said, man, I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna hold off on them. I'm not gonna put no bad info out there. And that's why I'm waiting till today. You guys see, it did not happen today. The shock drop did not happen for the black cement threes. And we were hearing that it was gonna happen today around, 2 or 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I waited till 2 or 3 Eastern Standard Time because like I said, I ain't see nobody talk. I ain't see nobody, solid saying that it was gonna happen. So I said, I'm not gonna jump too early. I ain't gonna jump the gun too early. And you guys see it did not happen today. And that is all due to the fact that, probably Nike said it ain't happening today. It may be happening tomorrow, which leads to the information I'm about to give y'all pertaining to this shock drop. Should be happening tomorrow in between 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm giving you guys time ranges because Nike can literally change it whenever they want to. We heard that might happen today. We heard it might happen tomorrow. Now, of course it didn't happen today. So tomorrow is the day that we're going to be banking on. So I'm saying 95% chance. You guys seen what Nike have done before. They push, shock drops back. They, cancel shock drops before. There's been some releases that we feel like, Nike should have shock dropped the sneaker. They didn't shock drop them at all. But tomorrow in between 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you guys should see something in regards to a shock drop over these Air Jordan 3 black cements. You guys already know the spiel. They could change it. They could push it back. It could happen at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's all up to Nike whenever they want to drop them. It's literally called a shock drop for a reason. Of course, it's going to be some information getting spit out from Nike. Some employees letting people know like us, like, hey, it might be happening today or tomorrow. And that's where we come in and kind of give you guys all the information because everybody ain't too pressed about, when shock drops is going to happen and stuff like that. Y'all probably ain't in Discord. Y'all probably ain't following people on Twitter that, got that information. So that's what I'm here for today to help you guys out. And there's going to be a lot of pairs of these black cement threes. So do not get alarmed. Do not get triggered if you do take an L tomorrow on this shock drop. This is going to be mass produced Air Jordan 3. Super GR. Do not, hey, like I said, don't be worried, bro. If you take an L tomorrow, you got all the way into the 28th? I forget when they dropped the 26th. When is it? You guys know. Later this month, when they do originally drop, on the official release date, there are going to be plenty of pairs for you to double up and triple up on. but do not let that, you know, make you guys relax a little bit. Don't relax on them. Definitely put your footwork in, put your leg work in. Make sure you confirm that at least one pair, because you guys have seen how it's been going lately. It's been pairs that have been bad yards that people have been taking L's on because they're taking it, you know, with a grain of salt. They ain't really too pressed about this thing. The next thing you know, you got to pay resale. I don't think the resale will be anything crazy for these. Might set around 200, 210 bucks, which I think is under retail if I'm not mistaken. But if you want them on a release date, you got to put your energy towards them. You got to put the effort towards them, and then you will get a pair of the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement Remastered, question mark, I don't know. I'm just calling them the Black Cement 3s. And I've been asking you guys, man, should I keep my 2018 pair or sell them, or should I keep the 2024 pair, sell them? I'm still up in the air right now. This is a size 9, which is not my size. I'm a size 9.5. And I'm still like to the point where my 2018 pair is super crispy. So do I really need the 2024 pair? I know a lot of people probably having that same issue right now. Like, yo, do I get them? Do I not get them? Because you got to think, bro, 2018, that's 6 years ago. That pair should still be crispy. My pair is still crispy. And now that, you know, they released them, now I'm wearing them to the gym. I'm wearing them to the grocery store and stuff like that, just so I can get some wears out of them to kind of justify myself picking up the 2024 pair. But again, I don't think I'm going to keep these at all. I just don't need them. What do I need them for? Both my pairs is crispy. This is one of course, is newer. The shape is a little bit different. Like, it's a little bit different, and the quality is a little bit different. But other than that, bro, the 2018 pair is gonna do just fine by me. And I'm just being real. And on the flip side of the shop drop happening tomorrow in between 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I showed you guys the other day an early look at the upcoming Air Jordan 11. This is the year of the Dragon Air Jordan 11s. If you guys want a pair, man, make sure you hit me up. This is size 9.5. This is one of them shoes that I just want to get an early look out on, show you guys what they hit for, you know, stuff like that. Just don't drop all the way until like February or March of 2025. And I was able to get these things early for y'all. But if y'all want a pair extra early, extra early, you know what I'm saying, hit me up on Instagram. These things is up for grab for a very, very steal price. Steal, man. And we still have the black Toe Reimagined sitting behind us. You guys know this one got pushed back due to some crazy issue. I don't know what really happened, but there's a lot dropping at the end of the year. I think these were scheduled to drop in October or November. You know, we got so much heat coming out. Fear 4s, Black Cement 3s, Legible 11s, all type of stuff. And now they're going to get this a little bit more of their own time in January of 2025. So you guys stick around for that. Super cool sneaker. Of course, it's the black toes, but me wasn't really feeling the Air Jordan on the side. So if you guys do want a pair of these, man, hit your boy up. This is a size 9.5 as well. Not really gonna be keeping stuff I don't really want no more. I'm maturing, bro. It's just what's gonna happen when you hit about, you know, 26, 27. It's gonna happen to you, bro. I'm telling you, you ain't gonna be want to get every single sneaker. It's just pointless at this point, man. But one last time, man, shop drop tomorrow. You guys know the time frame, 12 p.m. Eastern and 3 p.m. Eastern, but keep your phones open, keep your notification bells on. Follow me over on Instagram. I'm trying to help you guys out, get a pair early. And you guys know, man, Nike shipping been super quick lately. So if you want to get a pair way before the drop, way before Thanksgiving, you know what I'm saying, you guys should be good to go tomorrow on the shop drop if you got your phones ready and you are prepared to snag a pair of these Black Cement 3s, which of course probably one of the best Air Jordan 3 colorways of all time. I love y'all, appreciate all the support. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a huge like on today's video, and again, man, comment down below, remastered or just the Black Cement 3s. I really need to figure that out, bro. I need to figure that out. I need some help from you guys. Y'all probably know a lot more than me in regards to these Black Cement 3s, because I wasn't too pressed about them. So I got the 2018 pair. But I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. And ultimately, say your boy, The Vintage, gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.